Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's a pleasure to join you. Today we are dealing with a circle question, a measurement question involving circles, and let's see what they're asking. So AC is the diameter of the given circle, and this is a semicircle, and the diameter is 20 centimeters. So let's write that in. So we know that that is 20 centimeters. Now, they've said to us, use pi is equal to 3,14 to calculate the perimeter of the figure correct to 2 decimal places. So the perimeter of the figure would be the space or the measurement around the entire shape. The formula for the circumference of a circle is c is equal to pi d, or c is equal to 2 pi r. Now, when they give us this circumference question, or this circumference formula, they're speaking to the fact that that measures the entire distance around the circle, but we only have half the circle, so that makes this question a little bit more interesting. Now let's write down a new formula for this particular shape. So the first thing we need to focus on is this part of the shape. What do we notice? We know that this is a semicircle, so this is half of a full circle. So if we're going to use this formula here for circumference, we need to say that it is half the circumference of a normal circle. Okay, but what's interesting is this is only going to give us this distance over here. We still have this distance. So we need to say plus, we've already been told what that is our diameter. So that is the diameter. Now we can plug in our formula for half the circumference, which is going to be pi d plus d. Now we can insert all of the values we know. So we know that half stays the same. We know that pi is 3,14. And we know that d, they've given to us in the question, is 20 centimeters. Plus another 20. Right, so now all we need to do is put all of that in our calculator. So it's going to be 0.5 times 3,14 times 20 plus 20 is going to give us 51,4. So they've asked us to put it to 2 decimal places, so it's 51,4, and we need to add a 0 because they've asked us for 2 decimal places, and this is in centimeters, not centimeters squared, because we're not calculating in 2 dimensions. We're only calculating the measurement or distance around the shape, and that gives us the final answer. Really good job, guys. This is a challenging question, and it's going to test you. This first step is the most important bit. Once you've got that, the maths is fairly simple that follows. That's all from me. Very special thank you to our sponsors. Check our website for more of these epic videos. Until the next time, stay epic.